Welcome, fitness enthusiasts and budget shoppers. If you're looking for the best treadmill under $1,000, you've come to the right place. We're about to walk you through 7 of the highest quality, most affordable treadmills on the market today. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to find these treadmills at the best prices. First up, we have the Sol F63 treadmill, the best overall option. This treadmill is a standout for its foldable design, making it a perfect fit for any space. Plus, it comes with a lifetime frame warranty, adding to its durability. Whether you're a walker, jogger, or sprinter, this treadmill caters to all. For an all-around excellent treadmill, check out the Sol F63 treadmill in the link below. Next on our list is the Echelon Stride, perfect for walkers and casual joggers. This gem stands out with its easy assembly, meaning you'll be up and running in no time. It boasts an adjustable incline and speed, allowing you to tailor your workout to your specific needs. Plus, the 10-inch touchscreen brings a whole new level of interaction and engagement to your fitness routine. If you're a walker or a casual jogger, the Echelon Stride is for you. Get yours now by clicking the link in the description below. For the runners out there, the Horizon 7.0 AT is your perfect match. With its rock-solid design, it offers stability even during the most intense workouts. Plus, its generous 20 by 60-inch deck provides ample running space. And let's not forget, it can accommodate users up to a whopping 325 pounds. Runners, your perfect treadmill awaits. Check out the Horizon 7.0 AT in the link below. There you have it, 3 of the best treadmills under $1,000. But there are 4 more to discover. Each one has unique features, designed to cater to different needs, preferences, and budgets. The Schwinn 810, ProForm Carbon T7, and others are waiting to be explored. Remember, the best way to achieve your fitness goals is to start today. Check out the link in the description below to find the perfect treadmill for your needs. Don't wait, get yours now.